A Blackout Bingo balance showing 0 after an update does not necessarily mean your previous balance was permanently removed. The first thing to check is whether the app has loaded the correct account data. By the end, you'll know which account, connection, and app state checks to use before contacting Blackout Bingo support. Start by checking the account you're currently signed into. If you previously used Google, Apple, Facebook, or another sign-in method, make sure you're using the same login method you used before the update. A different sign-in can open a separate game profile, which can make your balance appear to be missing. Next, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. If the app has just installed an update, the balance may need to reload from the game's servers instead of appearing immediately from locally stored data. If the balance is still 0, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the game. A connection problem can prevent account information from loading correctly even when the rest of the app opens normally. The next step depends on your device. On Android, open Settings, find Apps, select Blackout Bingo, and look for the storage or cache options. Clearing the cache can remove temporary files without deleting the app itself. Avoid clearing app data unless you know your account is securely connected, because that can remove locally stored app information. On iPhone, iOS does not provide the same direct cache clearing option. Instead, you can close the app, restart the iPhone, and check whether another Blackout Bingo update is available in the App Store. Also check whether your game balance is actually the issue or whether another part of the account has changed. Look for your profile information, game history, rewards, or other account details. If those are also missing, that points more strongly toward an account or synchronization problem, rather than a simple display glitch. If none of these steps restore the balance, contact Blackout Bingo support from the app or its official support channel. Include your account information, device type, operating system, and the fact that the balance changed to 0 after the update. If possible, provide a screenshot showing the 0 balance and any previous transaction or balance information you have. The key checks are simple. Verify the correct login, refresh the connection, restart the app, and avoid deleting app data before confirming your account is backed up or connected. If your balance still shows 0 after those checks, contact support rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app. Like this video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.